Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a product that you probably have sitting in your house right now. This is a smart TV, but it's not just any smart TV. This is a Roku TV made by TCL. Now this is not really a full review, this is more of a quick look and as well as an unboxing of this TV, but I will be using this TV over the next couple of weeks or so to get my full review going, so be on the lookout for that. Now in the box is nothing special. We pretty much have the TV itself in some pretty nice packaging, and as well as the TV will come with some accessories such as a remote, 2 stands, and some screws to mount those stands onto the TV, as well as a quick start guide. Now the whole setup process for this TV was fairly simple. The screws that I was telling you about, all you have to do is screw the legs with the screws onto the bottom of the TV, mount them on, and then you're pretty much good to go for the most part. This was by far the easiest part, and plugging up the TV. Now once all of that is pretty much done and set aside, you're pretty much good to go. Now after tinkering with the TV for a little bit and as well as watching some YouTube videos, I gotta say, for this being a 720p panel, it really isn't that bad. Color accuracy is good, but on the box it actually says a so-called crisp. I think that's kind of pushing it a little bit. It's definitely decent, but this isn't really a TV that you would maybe want to be up close gaming and all that stuff with. But it does have fast streaming with 802.11 Wi-Fi, a simple intuitive interface, and as well as this TV is ready for cable, satellite, antenna, and streaming. It has all the features decked out, everything you could need in a smart TV. Now if binge watching YouTube isn't your thing, you still have thousands and hundreds of movies and titles on this TV, such as Hulu, Netflix, Stars, HBO Now, and everything else. Now this TV does have a 60 Hz refresh rate, so if you are a gamer like my little brother Brian playing Fortnite right now, this TV is actually going to take advantage of that 60 Hz refresh rate. So that is, oh my bad, get him Brian. So I guess what I'm pretty much trying to say here is I really do like this TV. TCL is doing a great job at getting it to the certain price point that it is, and it is cutting a little bit of corners. But for this TV, I gotta say this is just a great way to get some smart TV tech into your house. But I will be using this TV over the next couple of weeks or so, so definitely stay tuned for the review coming soon. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.